talking to me sideways. Take a look around, we all living in some high stakes. Yeah, we ain't getting treated equal. That's why we gotta get it back, power to the people. We all trying to maintain, trying to keep it down, trying to keep the flame tame. Get a little freedom and stimulate brains. We are working too hard just to get the man paid. That's why ain't a motherfucking damn thing change. Everything is going up while you're getting paid the same. Hey yo, I try to keep it positive, but I gotta deal with all these motherfucking politics. Stay true to your roots and your family. Times are high rate, money is high stakes. They're looking at my face, but they're talking to me sideways. Damn.
They're talking sideways, but that ain't what you see. They're walking sideways, but that ain't for me. Oh, I've seen better days walking sideways.
Yeah, it's all sideways, the shit you do when you talk about break into a house, smash it up, then you jump around. Steal all the shit, trash your place, then bounce. Think it's all a game, nasty cats wanna pounce. Try to prove yourself to your friends. That's what you're doing, B&E's, think it's more like a trend. Now you got the dopest kicks on, puffin' with the junkies, rock monkeys with the crack bomb. You ain't hard, brother, think about it. You just another little kid with a scarred mother, living on the edge, life in a dirty gutter. Paddle up, shit screen, burnt out rudder. Causing the ruckus, put a flame to the mayhem. Cause you're hanging with some dumb ass lame friends. They never really had your back, that's why you got a lot of shit when you cop that flat.
They're talking sideways, but that ain't what you see. They're walking sideways, but that ain't for me. Oh, I've seen better days walking sideways. They're talking shit from the go, like they have nothing to know, and they got nothing to show. Cause they're talking shit from the go. They're talking shit from the go, like there ain't nothing to know, and they got nothing to show. Cause they're talking shit from the go.